In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload customer review data to Excel or Power BI with Copilot enabled, and then leverage its capabilities to perform a sentiment analysis. We'll explore how to review sentiment summaries and learn how to export insights that could be valuable for marketing or product development efforts. So, let's jump right in and embark on this insightful journey together. First, you'll want to make sure you have your customer review data ready for upload. Whether this data is coming from a text file, a CSV, or directly extracted from a review platform, it should be organized in a way that makes it easy to interpret. A clean dataset will help you maximize accuracy during analysis. Once you've got your data prepared, open up Excel or Power BI, ensuring that Copilot is enabled in your application. If you're unsure, check your settings or consult support resources to confirm that Copilot is active. Now, you're ready to upload your customer review data. In Excel, this might involve using the Data tab, where you can select Get Data to import your file. In Power BI, you'll probably navigate to the Home tab and click on Get Data. Choose the appropriate format of your file from the options available, then follow the prompts to bring your data into the workspace. With your customer reviews successfully uploaded, let's get to the heart of the matter. Using Copilot to perform sentiment analysis. Once your data is ready, ask Copilot to carry out the sentiment analysis for you. You can do this by issuing a simple, natural language query. Highlight your dataset and then use the Copilot interface to type in your request. Ensure your language is clear. For instance, analyze the sentiment of these customer reviews. Copilot will take over from here, leveraging machine learning to evaluate the text data and determine which reviews are positive, neutral, or negative. Once Copilot completes the analysis, review the sentiment summaries it provides. Examine how the reviews have been categorized into positive, neutral, and negative sentiments. This insightful summary can give you a holistic view of how your product or service is perceived. Delve into these summaries to understand trends, pinpoint specific areas of success, or identify aspects that need improvement. The final step involves exporting these findings so that they can inform your marketing strategies or bolster product development efforts. In Excel, you can easily save your data with the sentiment analysis results to a file format suitable for sharing with your team. Power BI offers similar exporting capabilities. Ensure that you export your insights in a format that is compatible with other tools your team uses, like PDF or Excel. This will make them readily available for further analysis or presentation. This workflow not only streamlines the process of sentiment analysis, but also empowers you with actionable insights. By following through with these steps, you can transform customer feedback into a strategic resource. Thanks for following along with me today. Remember to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.